Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a Gua Sha facial routine that I follow to have a slimmer face. This routine was adapted from a video of a Chinese medical skincare professional, and I will link her video down below. But it changed some of the steps and I used different products and type of Gua Sha. Now, this video is not intended to lose weight in the face. However, this technique can give you the appearance of a slimmer face by reducing puffiness and bloating, which I personally experience, especially in the morning. And now that we are on quarantine, all I eat is salty foods, which is a big culprit in retaining water. Facial gua sha is a facial treatment that involves scraping a flat jade or rose quartz over the skin in an upward stroke to relax stiff muscles and promote lymphatic drainage. It moves lymphatic fluids and breaks down tension in muscles. That means improved blood flow and less puffiness. The increase in circulation is said to up hydration for youthful glow. And it even helps the skin to naturally purge blemish-causing dirts and oil. This routine for me is so amazing because not only has this method helped me in sculpting my face, but this has also always helped me to feel so relaxed after. So let's start. You should start at the neck before treating your face. This way, you're creating a clear path for the fluids in your face to drain. I'm doing all downward movements on the neck for drainage. I find that upward movements are for lifting, while going down stimulates lymphatic drainage. We have a lot of lymph nodes under the jaw, around the ears, and they all drain on the side of the neck to the terminus, which is the area above your collarbone. So I start by prepping the neck by applying oil, and I'm using Sephora's jojoba protecting oil for slip. You can use the hand on the same side, or you can use the opposite hand for more pressure. To massage the neck, line up the curvy part of the tool in front and behind of the earlobes. And in a gentle motion, pull down 4 times, and on the 5th time, go all the way down and wiggle on the collarbone. Repeat this 5 or more times. Also, do it on the other side. And then I'll do a few passes on the front of the neck and on the back of the neck. Now that we've completed the neck, we move on to the face. We're going to start with the jaw. Use the curved side of the gua sha and place your finger on the center of your chin for support. Now apply light to medium pressure on the side of your jaw and wiggle when you reach the ear. Repeat this 5 or more times. After the jaw, we move on to the cheeks. Put your fingers on the side, use the long curved edge of the tool and push the tool upwards and wiggle when you reach your ears. Repeat this again for 5 times or more. Now we'll move on to the under eye. Be very, very careful on this part because this part is very sensitive. So you have to be very, very gentle. Put your finger near your tear duct and use one of the notch of the Gua Sha to gently massage the under eye. And when you get to the hairline, wiggle for a massage. Next, we move on to our brow bone. Just follow your brow bone, and when you reach to the hairline, do a massage by wiggling your Gua Sha. Do this 5 or more times. Next is the forehead. We'll use the curve along part of the Gua Sha, and then we'll cover our eyelid with our fingers and lightly roll over from our brow bone up. It should feel like you're pulling your skin a bit. When you reach the hairline, massage with a wiggle. Do this 5 times or more. This is my favorite part because it really lifts your brows and it really makes you look more awake and more youthful. And that's it. You do it on the other side, and after doing this, you'll see an instant result. But if you want to see a big change, you have to do this every day for at least 2 weeks, and you'll see a big difference. And don't forget to drink a lot of water to move out the waste products that the Gua Sha worked out on your muscles. And after using your Gua Sha, don't forget to wash it with soap and water and keep it dry. And then keep it in a foamed container, preferably so it's safe from breakage. I hope you really enjoy this beautiful and relaxing ritual. To purchase the Gua Sha tool, kindly visit www.altitledcosmetics.com, and I will also leave the link down below on the description bar. On my next video, I'll be trying derma rolling for a month, and we'll see if it can make my pores smaller and make my acne scars less visible. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can make sure you'll be notified when that video is up. Stay safe, everyone!